Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OnePlus Go Pad and I want to show you how add event to your calendar. To do that, open calendar application, which is right there. We can search it, swipe up the screen, and there we have our calendar. In it, we can change view for a month to be easily to add. There, tap and month. And we tap on we have month view and tap on the egg when we want to add our event, maybe 3 of August. There is plus icon event, and first step you can add title of your event. In this part you can add event to your group on Gmail, calendars, member, and there we can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. There we can add location of it when we need it. Notification maybe 1 week before, and we can add more than one. There we can set color which we see of our notification to this event. Description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.